I've discovered that daily health therapies really must be easy, otherwise they will not be repeatable and not something that we can carry out long term. So I want to show you a couple of new Pampered Chef tools that have really changed having a daily ginger drink for me. So here we have the new Deluxe cooking blender by the Pampered Chef. It is so powerful, and I'm been using it every day, making incredible smoothies and a gazillion other things. But right now I just want to show you about my ginger drink. So what I did is I took fresh ginger and I took some water and ground it up into a puree in the blender. Then I strained it with this wonderful new very, very fine mesh strainer, and then I poured it into my ice cube trays. I'm going to freeze this. So all I have to do is heat up some water and drop an ice cube in, just a small teaspoon of honey, and I've got instantly this anti-inflammatory, antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial beverage that I can have on a daily basis. So this is really super easy. Just look at those trays. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. That is 28 days, almost a month's worth of this powerful ginger drink. And I must say, it's true that the Pampered Chef products really do make things easier and more fun. This is coming out on September 1st, and you can get it at 60% off by hosting a party. Contact me soon.